Amla, can you tell me what is this painting and this story?
This is story of Milky Way that we see, Yolngu see, to direct us in many ways. North, south, east and west have a story connected to this painting. And as from top end, I strongly say whatever damage you do to our sacred area or destroy, you are hurting us too. Any Yolngu is hurt, everybody is hurt when you damage our sacred sites. We care and we love our sacred sites. The land holds us and we hold the land.
And this particular story and dreaming is called what? Is this the Seven Sisters?
And this story is called Lurnpa, which is in our area Seven Sister.
And does that Seven Sisters dreaming go across the whole country?
Yes, and it goes right across the whole country of Australia.
So the Kabi people are trying to protect a sacred site called Djaki Kundu, and Djaki Kundu has the Seven Sisters dreaming coming through that. Is that Seven Sisters dreaming on Djaki Kundu land? Is that connected to the Seven Sisters dreaming here?
Yes, Djaki Kundu, I know this painting connects us right in the top end, Northern Territory. The story comes from there and is connected here too.
Oh my mark. And if the Queensland government allows for the sacred site at Djaki Kundu to be damaged, and they're going to bulldoze it and put a highway through there, if that site is damaged, that will cause injury and harm to across this whole country where that dreaming connects. Is that right?
Yes, it will damage the whole country and plus damage our soul, Yolngu soul, and our body that is connected to the land.
My mark. Thank you, Auntie.
Yeah.
Yo, my mark. Thank you, Amla.